Okay, another question that we got is about Singapore wills. So, of course, there's the option of registering a will in Singapore. Do you advise that all wills be registered? Like, what are the pros and cons of that registration process?
Don't caveat again. Otherwise, the Singapore Law Society may knock me. Okay, this will registrar in Singapore now is under the Singapore Law Academy. They are managing this will register. All right. Now, when this will register basically only capture 4 things. Lim Jui said I'm the settler. I make this will on what day, what date. Because every will must be dated latest will. Written by law company or written by will company ABC. And then where is this will now? Kept at my home or I kept at in a DBS bank securities? Only these 4 information, not the will itself, right? Okay, and then what is the purpose of this information of will register? Basically, in case of any contest, is this the last will? But my question is, next year I write a will, I forgot to register. Now, which is my latest will? To me is white elephant. And then don't forget, every deposit $50. And you want to search another $20. A family member want to search whether I got a will there. It will cost money. So to me is, first of all, there's no guarantee whatever information registered down there is the latest will that I have.
Right. Okay.
And then every re-registration is always cost money. So to me, it doesn't fit the purpose. More important thing to me in my practice, or always advisement, is where do you keep your will? I think there are company that is offering this will custody service, lifetime will custodies, and they got property arrangement that your executor or your family member can, with a proper authorization or receive an authorization card, they can retrieve the will. And then these are waterproof, these are theft-proof, and fireproof, and you name it. And why are you going to register? Sorry, but yes, there's such a register. But to me, I personally, I don't do that.
Okay, so the pros and cons did, but so I guess everyone needs to come up with their own point of view, and it'll be helpful if they consult someone like yourself who kind of understands the nuances of it, and to help make that decision. Okay.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.